Let's quickly understand the difference between order and order of magnitude, because students sometimes get confused here. So we already know what scientific notation means. So let's say that we have a number of the form 4.5 into 10 raised to power 3. To determine the order and order of magnitude, first we round off this number. So we convert our a to, we round it off. In this case, because a is actually less than 5, what we do is that we convert it into 1, and this becomes 1 into 10 raised to power 3. Now in this, only looking at this 10 raised to power 3, we say that the order of this number is 10 raised to power 3, and the order of magnitude, for that we say its order of magnitude is just this, just 3. Okay, that is the value of b. Okay, that is the order of magnitude. So the order of magnitude is 3 and the order is 10 raised to power 3. Now let's take another example. Let's say that we had a number of the form 6.5 into 10 raised to power 3. In this case, because this is bigger than 5, we actually round it off and we round it up to 10. And again, correctly putting it in correct scientific notation, this will become 10 raised to power 4. So our b would actually become b plus 1. And now we say that the order of 6.5 into 10 raised to power 3 is 10 raised to power 4. So this is the order. And the order of magnitude is just this. The order of magnitude is just 4. Okay, this is the order of magnitude, just 4. Okay, so hopefully things are very, very clear. The entire thing 10 raised to power b or 10 raised to power b plus 1 is the order, and the order of magnitude is either b or b plus 1, depending upon whether a was less than or greater than 5 in the first place. Hopefully this is very, very clear. You will be able to solve numericals based on this. Thank you.